Hello students, and I want to help you with another English pronunciation lesson, all right? And so you know that in the English language we have consonants and we have vowels. And so the consonants, some of the consonants have two sounds, all right? Like G, G, J, C, K, S, 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 Z. And so some of the consonants have two sounds. It's important for you to know the sounds of the consonants of the English alphabet. And we also have vowels. And so the vowels have at least two sounds. Some vowels have more than two sounds, but you at least need to know the short sound and the long sound. And so a vowel has two sounds. A vowel can have a short sound. A vowel can have a long sound. When a vowel has a long sound, it says its name. A, E, I, O, U. Paint, bean, pine, bone, cube. Okay, but the short sound is different. Listen, I will say the long sound and then the short sound. A, A. Niitam kinyom. A, A. E, E. I, O, A. U, And so a short sound and a long sound, they're different and you need to know them. Cap, bag, pin, fox, cub. All right, and if you look at the picture on the right, the purple, blue, green, orange, and yellow, vowel A, short sound, apple, niitam kinyom. Apple, cat. Long sound, cake, bake. Vowel E, short sound, niitam kinyom. Jet, net. Long sound, feet, leaf. Okay, you see the two vowels together. Remember, when there are two vowels together, that the second vowel is silent and the first vowel makes the long sound. E, E. E-A, the A is silent and the E makes the long sound. Leaf. Vowel I, short sound, I. Niitam kinyom, fish, pig. Long sound, I. Kite, ice cream. Vowel O, short sound, niitam kinyom, clock, dog. And you notice the beginning blend sound, CL, cl, and the ending blend sound, k. So, and in the middle, there's the short sound of the O, because if there is a vowel with a consonant before it and a consonant after it, the vowel will make the short sound. Clock. The same with dog. Why is it a short sound? Because there is a vowel before the O and a consonant before the O and a consonant after the O. Dog. Vowel O, long sound, rope, boat. Why is it the long sound? Because of the final E. The final E is silent but strong. The final E makes the vowel before it say the long sound. O, rope. And boat, two vowels together. The second vowel is silent and the first vowel makes the long sound. That's the rule. Boat. Don't forget to say the T, boat. And the vowel U, sun, jump. Short sound. sun, jump. Long sound, cute, unicorn. Unicorn. All right? The rule for the short vowel sound. When a word or syllable has only one vowel, and that vowel is followed by one or more consonants, the vowel is usually short. For example, the word rob has a short O. Ah. Why? Because there is a consonant before the vowel and a consonant after the vowel. Then the vowel usually makes the short sound. Ah, robe, a rob. But the word robe, R-O-B-E, does not have a short sound because it has two vowels, but really because the E at the end. The E makes the vowel say the long sound. And so you take the E off, it's rob. But you add the E makes the O change the sound and say, oh, robe. And so a syllable. So remember, a syllable is a word or part of the word that only has one vowel sound. You'll learn more about syllables later. Okay, here's a word list. Short vowel sounds. So say all of these after me. Tan, bit, cup, got. Why are these the short sound? Because there is a consonant before the vowel and there is a consonant after the vowel. So it makes the short sound. The short vowel sound for A, E, I, O, U, All right? Number 2, ni itam kinyom, hen, jam, kid, luck. Number 3, mud, yes, rap, nut. Mamen, rap. Rap. Number 5, sin, van, puff, quit. Number 6, keg, cap, yam, fun. Number 7, lick. Why is it lick and not like? It's lick because the vowel has a consonant before it and a consonant after it. Cap, yam, fun. Number 7, lick, set, dot, sun. Number 8, tax, loss, wig, wet. Don't forget to say the final consonant sound. Number 9, pug, mat, fig, tess. Number 10, get, hop, sack, puck. Okay, so all of these are short vowel sounds. A, e, a. We know they're the short vowel sound because there's a consonant before it and a consonant after it. And so if there is a word and we have syllables in the word, and every syllable has a vowel. So you pay attention. If there is an E after the consonant, well then the vowel before it probably says the long sound. But if there are two consonants with a vowel in the middle, the vowel probably says the short sound. Okay, here is a long and short vowels sound review. Okay, Let's pause for a moment.